Now we're going to run it in low gear. So I'm going to set the brake, and then I'm going to wind it up. Okay, I have wound it up. So now I'll close the latch, the aero kit, and then let me turn it over and we'll set the speed. We'll put it in low gear. So right here, down the bottom, I always forget which is which. There we go. We put it in low gear. So now I'll pop the hood, or flip the hood open. I'll zoom in, and then I will turn off the brake, and you'll be able to see it go in low speed. And we are not in neutral for some reason. Let me hit the brake. I'll just throw it in neutral, so get ready to watch it. Doesn't like it. Okay, now it's in neutral. Now we will watch that motor go in low speed. Let me turn it so you can watch it. And there it was.